Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Acorns. Acorns makes investing simple by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing that spare change. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.50. Acorns would invest the 50 cents. You can also set up recurring investments like $5 every week to steadily build your portfolio. Plus, you get to choose from expertly designed, diversified portfolios that match your personal risk tolerance. Beyond roundups, Acorns offers several ways to boost your investments. You can explore Acorns later, which helps you save for retirement with potential tax advantages, similar to a traditional IRA. Another great feature is Acorns Earn, where you can get bonus investments when you shop with their partner brands. And for a comprehensive approach, Acorns Spend provides a checking account that automatically invests your spare change, making saving even more seamless. To truly maximize your earnings with Acorns, consider increasing your recurring investments. Even a small increase can significantly accelerate your portfolio's growth over time. It's also crucial to understand the power of compound interest. The longer your money is invested, the more it can grow on itself. Finally, make sure to regularly review your portfolio and adjust your risk settings as your financial goals or life circumstances change. Before diving in, remember a few key points. Acorns typically charges a monthly fee, usually between $3 and $5, depending on the plan you choose. It's important to factor this into your investment strategy. Also, always remember that investing involves risk. The value of your investments can go up or down. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.